Hi, welcome to Landry HW1. Today I'm going to be opening this slime, I think it said. So, it's like a moon covered case. So, I'm going to try to open this. Okay, here we go. Oh, and I got it from the holiday shop because I bought it for myself because I had extra money. So, I bought it myself. Okay, how do you... Oh, gosh. How do you open this thing? Oh, there you go. Ah, it has a plastic layer. Look at this. What? It's like goopy. It's like slimy at the same time. Oh my gosh. Oh, it does not smell good. It's sticky. Does it stick to the table? It doesn't stick to anything else except your hands. Look. Ooh, extra. Nah, there's plastic on it. Let's try it up. Okay, so yeah. Look how sticky it is. Look at this. How weird is this? Why is this so sticky? Guys, I never tried slime this sticky before. And if you're in the comments saying, oh, that's slime. Slime is sticky. Sorry, I never tried having slime for so long. Oh my gosh, so cool. Look at this. Is it stretchy? No, but I feel stickiness on my hands. So, and if you're at Frog Pond Elementary School, they're doing a holiday shop if you didn't know. And this is one of the stuff. And if you have extra money, you can buy this. It looks sticky. Oh no! It doesn't stick to carpet either. Whoa! But oh no! Please fell off. Oh. Look how light it is when it's all. Look, I'll show you the difference. How lighter it is. Look, see that? How's it lighter? Okay. So, how is it lighter? Plus, why is there a plastic thing? I think it was because so it can stay in more. Wait, let me see if I can mold it. See if this stuff is moldable. Nope. Wait. Let's see. I'm gonna show you. Look. If it is to you. Sorry if you can't see it, but I think it is a little. That's my sister. Oh, that's my. If you hear that banging, that's my next door neighbor doing something. So yeah, I'll be right back. It's probably quiet in there. So yeah, here. Does it act like a bubble? It does not. Oh gosh. It does not. Look. Oh. That's funny. So, 1 out of 10 to buy this. Yes, it's awesome. So, I'll give a rating 1 out of 10. So, yeah. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. and you'll see more videos. And also, if you're subscribed, sorry if I haven't been making videos a lot. I haven't had ideas what to do on my channel, and this was one of them. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe. So I enjoy each of one. 1, 2, 3. Bye.